Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I am going to be telling you or giving you ideas for summer dates. Like what to do with like your girlfriend or boyfriend or anybody you want to go on a date with. Obviously, I'm filming multiple videos today, so I'm wearing the same thing and I look the same as the past two videos because I'm trying to be productive. But yeah, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below. And let's just get right on into the video. So I have my laptop over here with all the ideas on it because I can't just remember 10 ideas on the top of my head. First one that I have is like a picnic at the beach or the park. So you could either like make a dinner together or a lunch, whatever time of day you want to go, which would be cute if you like cooked together. Or you could get like takeout like Chipotle, or just get like a pizza and bring like maybe like a dessert like ice cream in a cooler or something. That'd be cute. I love picnics on the beach. They're so cute and I love that. But if you don't live near a beach or whatever, then go to like a park, or I don't know, even do it in like your backyard. Like either way, it's cute. The next thing is to go get ice cream somewhere. Like go to an ice cream shop or go to like frozen yogurt shop, whatever you like. And just like, I don't know, sit there and talk about your lives or something. Or you could even get it to go and go eat it somewhere like scenic, like if you're overlooking like a city or something, or go to the beach or something like that. I don't know. This next thing I love to do, so this is the third idea, go mini golfing. I love mini golfing. Or you could go to like the batting cages or go to like the driving range if you don't like mini golfing. I don't know. I love mini golfing. I think it's so fun. The fourth thing is more for like the nighttime, I feel like. But it's a drive-in movie. You could go see a drive-in movie. You can like put blankets and like pillows in the back of your car or something and go see a movie in the drive-in. Sadly, where I live, we don't really have any drive-in theaters like near me, I don't think. I'm pretty sure they're like a couple hours away. So I've never done that, but like I really want to so badly because I just feel like that's so cute. I just feel like that's such a cute like date idea. I really want to go to a drive-in movie. So that's another. This one is like, I guess depends on where you live. But if you live near like a major city, like I don't know, New York or Boston or LA or like Austin, Texas, I don't know, anything like that. I'm sure there's like cities near you that are like fun to hang out in, but you could go get lunch or dinner in the city and then like walk around. I just feel like cities are fun to be in. Or if you don't really live near a city, you could even go to like your downtown area or something. I don't know. Another thing you could do, which I love doing this, I think this is the sixth idea. You can go kayaking or paddle boating. I love kayaking. They might not have this near you, I don't know, but usually they have them on like little ponds or something. Like they have a couple near where I live. So, and you just like rent a kayak or a paddle boat and just go out on the lake and take pics and stuff like that. You could even bring like a little lunch and eat on the boat or something. Another thing you could do is go on a hike. So if it's not like too humid or something, you could go hiking in the woods or hike on a trail and bring a dog. So the eighth thing that you could do is go on a boat ride. So I'm sure that there's places close to where you live where you can like buy like a ticket for like $5 or $10 or something like that and go on a boat ride somewhere. Or if you have a boat, go on a boat ride. I don't know. I know in Boston you can like buy tickets to go like on the boat on the harbor. So if you live near Boston, you could do that. That'd be cute. And go to like Faneuil Hall after or something. Another thing you could do is just go to the beach for the day. You could even bring like other friends or other couples that you're friends with and just like, I don't know, you could stay there all day if you wanted and have like a bonfire on the beach and cook s'mores and like hot dogs on the fire. Or you could just like bring snacks and a lunch, and then after you leave the beach, you could go get dinner somewhere and just make like a whole day out of it. And the last thing, the 10th thing I have, is more for if it's like raining or it's like a rainy day, rainy summer day, or if it's just like cold and gross out, is to just go to the movies or to stay in and watch a movie. But if you're gonna go to the movies, you could go to like Walgreens or something before and like get some candy and get some snacks. Or you could stay home and make popcorn and brownies and stuff like that and watch movies. Or you could like play Xbox or something if your girl or boy likes that. Those are all my date ideas. Personally, I would love to do any one of those. So hopefully there's one in there that you can find that you like too, that you like, you both like. I hope it gives you ideas on what to do, because I know coming up with date ideas can get a little hard or a little repetitive. So I hope this helps you out and like gives you ideas on what to do. They're I would say they're inexpensive. Depends on like where you go and what you do and whatever. That was it for all of the ideas I have. So, if you have any more that I didn't say, like, leave them down below. Help people out with more ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you out. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow.